Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if your TikTok shop product is not showing. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that I am going to teach you is to check if your TikTok app is up to date. So tap into your app store, and then in here just search TikTok. So go ahead and do that, and then see if an update is available for your TikTok. And if an update is available, you can just go ahead and download it. And after updating your app and still the problem didn't get fixed, what you can do next is to check your internet connection. So what you can do is go into your settings and check if your connection is stable or if you're connected to a right network. So what you can also do is, instead of using Wi-Fi, you can try using your mobile data first, and then vice versa. If you're using data, you can try connecting into an internet or Wi-Fi. So that should fix your problem. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.